incessant rainfall over the past week under the influence of low pressure systems in Bay of Bengal has triggered flood-like situation in several districts of Odisha. The situation is such that water level in some rivers including Baitarani, Jalaka, Saveri, Budhavalanga, Suvarnarekha are either flowing above or nearing the danger mark. However, Chief Engineer of the State Water Resources Department Jyotirmay Rath said even as several rivers are swelling, the embankments are high and strong enough, which is why there are no chances of flood as of now. The water level of Baitarani River at Akwapada in Bhadrak district was at 17.85 meter as against the danger mark of 17.83 meter, forcing the authorities to issue red warning in the region. Under the prevailing condition, an approach road over Baitarani River at Bodak under Chanbali block of Bhadrak and 90 feet long stone walled river embankment on Aradi Jajpur main road have collapsed. Similarly, the water level at Jalaka River in Baleshwar was flowing at 6.6 meter against the danger mark of 6.5 meter, and the water level of Subarnarekha River at Rajghat was 7.5 meter with the danger mark set at 10.36 meter. Inflow of water per second into Hirakud Dam was 2.85 lakh cubic feet, while outflow stood at 3.33 lakh cubic feet. Meanwhile, in Malkangiri, communication between Kalimela and Padia was disrupted as rainwater was flowing 2 to 3 feet over the low-lying bridge at Kanyashram. The impact is so severe that trees got uprooted on NH 326. Floodwater is flowing over many places of the road connecting Koteru, Kankarkonda and MV90. Subsequently, the communication with Chhattisgarh has been cut off following submergence of road near Khatrakol. Rise in the water level of Saveri River has also increased in the vulnerability low-lying areas of Motu. In Kalahandi, water level in Hathi River is rising due to the unremitting rains since last few days. A temporary bridge over NH 215 near Narayan Post Command in Sundargarh got washed away on Thursday night, cutting off communication between Kalta and Koida. The district administration meanwhile has already begun the repair works of the road. In Balangir town, water has entered low-lying areas due to incessant rains in last 2 days. Flood threat looms large in Boriguma and Kotpat blocks of Koraput district due to rise in water level in Indravati river. Even as the water level of Budhavalanga in Mayurbhanj has started receding, flood threat still looms large in low-lying areas of Bangiri Poshi, Betnoti, Badasahi and Madhuban in Baripada town.